Good morning, students. Today we will do our next exercise number 6.4. The first question is, let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So there are two triangles. The name of first triangle is ABC and second one is D, E and F. Alright. So both of these two triangles are given similar. So from theorem 6.6, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of these two triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Area of ABC over area of DEF, second triangle. Then the ratio of the area of these two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So the side AB corresponding to side DE, side BC corresponding to side EF, and third side CE corresponding to side FD. So next, their areas will respectively 64 cm square and the 121 cm square. So the area of both these two triangles are given. So now go to the value. Area of ABC is 64. Area of DEF, second triangle, is 121. If EF is equal to 15.4, EF. So you can see here EF is coming here. This one. It is 15.4 centimeter. So put its value 15.4. Find BC. So side corresponding to this EF is which one? BC. So write here BC whole square. Alright. Next we have to find the value of DC. So first you can take this square on left hand side, so it becomes square root. Now 64 root is 8 and 124 root is 11. So right here 8 by 11 is equal to BC over 15.4. Or 8 multiplied 15.4 divided by 11. 8 multiplied 15.4 divided by 11. Or you can write it as 8 into 152 divided by 110. Remove this decimal point. 11 14s are 154 and 11 10s are 110. Now 14 8s are how much? 14 8s are 112. Now there is 1 0 in the denominator, so put decimal point after one digit. So what is the length of BC? BC is 11.2 centimeter. So this is your question number first. Next, this is your question number second. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. So first you can draw a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. This is AB and this is DC. These are two parallel lines and these are two non-parallel. The diagonals of a trapezium intersect each other at O. So there are two diagonals in a trapezium, diagonal AC and the other one is diagonal BD. They both intersect each other at point O. So take this point O. If AB is equal to 2 times CD, if AB is 2 times CD, this is AB and this is CD. Suppose the length of CD is 5 cm. Then what is AB? AB is the double of CD. Double means 2 5s are 10. Find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB and COD. You have to find the ratio of both these two triangles AOB. So which one is AOB? AOB, this one. And which is COD? find the ratio of their area. So first we have to prove these two triangles similar. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. So which is the first part? This one. In triangle AOB, angle this one, angle AOB, and in this triangle, angle COD. Both are equal. Reason is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Second one is, you can see here, these are two parallel lines and this is our transversal. So these are the base of which one? Alternate angles. These are the alternate angles. So angles ABO is equal to angle CDO. Alternate angles. Angle ABO equal to angle CDO. Alternate angles. So the first one is angle, second one is also angle. So by which criterion? By AA similarity criterion, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Now the triangles are similar. So from theorem, which one? 6.6. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So I will write the area of AOB. I will take this one, which you have to find ratio. Area of AOB divided by area of COD. So the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So which side will you take of this triangle? You will take side AB. And from other triangle COD, you will take side which one? CD. Now what is the value of AB? It is given already. AB is equal to how much? 2 times CD. So you can put the value of AB, this one, 2 CD. So it is 2 CD divided by how much? 3 4 the 6. Now CD cancel. Because the numerator and the denominator are same. So CD cancel. Now open the powers. 2 square is 4. And denominator is what? Only 1. And 1 square? 1. So what is the ratio of this area of AOB and area of COD? The ratio is 4:1. 4:1. Alright. So this is your question number 2. Next, this is your third question. In the following figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles. You can see here ABC and DBC. This one and second is this one. Alright, these two triangles are on the same base. So base is BC. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, this is AD. AD is the diagonal of this quadrilateral. It is not a trapezium. Trapezium is not given in this question. So AD is the diagonal of this quadrilateral. AD intersect BC at O. BC is also diagonal. So both of these diagonals intersect at point O. So we have to find the ratio of the area of ABC over area of DBC is equal to AO over DO. So we have to find the ratio of their area of these two triangles, ABC and DBC. So first we have to prove these two triangles similar, because the similar is not given in this question. So first we have to prove area ABC and area of DBC similar. So to prove triangle similar, we have to take 3 corresponding parts. Either you can prove its corresponding sides proportional, or you can take its angle equal. But you can see in this question, we never take any angles. किसी कोई भी angles को equal नहीं कर सकते, because conditions इस question में कोई भी given नहीं है, ठीक है? It is not a trapezium or it is not a parallelogram. So we can use here area of ABC is half base into height, because half base into height is also the formula of area of triangle. So we can use it here. Half base into height. Base is here BC and height is again not given. So we can take construction here. So draw two lines perpendicular. First one is here and second one is here. So draw AM perpendicular to BC and second BN perpendicular to BC. Write your construction. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and BN perpendicular to BC. So now in triangle ABC, this one ABC, area is half base into height. So what is the base? Base is BC and height for this triangle is AM. On the other side, area of triangle DBC is again half base into height. Base is same for both these two triangles, that is BC. And what is height for this triangle? Height is DN. So you can write the area of ABC over area of DBC is half into base into height. And area for DBC is half, base is same BC and height for this triangle is DN. Now BC cancel, half cancel. So what is left here? AM over DN. So take this equation number 1. Now you can take this two triangle, because in this question we have to show that the area of ABC and area of DBC is equal to AO over DO. But here AM over DN comes. So you can prove AM over DN equal to AO over DO. Now check here in this figure, in which two triangles AM, DN and AO, DO comes. So देखो AM, AO and this is DO, DN come in these two smallest triangle. So the name of the smallest triangle is triangle AOM and triangle DON. In triangle AOM and triangle DON. Now the first part is, you can see here, this is perpendicular. So right here angle AMO is equal to angle DNO, 90 degree each. The second is, you can see here, this is the name of vertically opposite angle. So right here angle AOM is equal to angle DON, vertically opposite angle. So by AA similarity criterion, triangles are what? Similar. So by triangles are similar. Now if the triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal also. But in this question we need corresponding sides. So you can see here, in this triangle side, you can take side AM, and in this triangle the corresponding side to AM is which one? DN. Next one is, take this side AO. So corresponding to AO is which one? DO. Take this equation number 2. Now what is from equation number 1 and 2? You can see here area of ABC over area of DBC is equal to AM over DN. But value of AM over DN is equal to A over DO. So put the value of this AM over DN in this equation number first. From 1 and 2, ABC area of DBC is equal to AM over DO. So hence proof, this is your question number 3rd. Next, this is your question number 4. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that they are congruent also. So first, you can draw two triangles. The first triangle is ABC and the second is PQR. Both of these two triangles having similar and the area is also equal of these two triangles. So right here it is given area of ABC is equal to area of PQR and area of triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR also. These are also given. Area is given equal and triangles are also similar. So when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that the triangles are congruent also. So it means triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. We have to prove this. So first we know that to prove the triangle congruent, we can take all its three sides equal. Alright. So first take this condition, area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to 1. You can write this term also like this. Area of ABC is equal to area of PQR. So when you take this on left hand side, it is divided with area of ABC. And area of ABC over area of PQR is equal to 1. 1 should be left on the right side. Now, from theorem 6.6, the statement is the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So from theorem 6.6, area of ABC, area of PQR, we have to take is equal to square of the corresponding sides. So corresponding sides AB and PQ. AB corresponding to PQ. Here side BC corresponding to side which one? QR. And side CA corresponding to side RP. Alright. Now in this above equation from 1, we know that area of ABC over area of PQ is equal to 1. So you have to put this value 1 here. This implies 1 is equal to AB over PQ plus square, BC over QR plus square is equal to CA over RP plus square. So all are equal. So one by one you can compare this. First you can compare the one with this term, then one with this term, and then one with this term. So we will get 1 is equal to AB over PQ plus square. So when you take this square on left hand side, it becomes square root, and the square root of 1 is 1. So this implies 1 is equal to AB over PQ. This implies PQ is equal to what? PQ is equal to AB. Similarly, from this second condition, we will get QR is equal to BC. Right here similarly. Alright. And from third condition, we will get CA is equal to RP. This is the third condition. Now we can take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In both these two triangles, side AB is equal to side PQ. We already proved. Right here is a proved above. Alright. AB is equal to PQ. Second, BC is equal to QR. And third is CA is equal to RP. Proved above. So by which rule? By SSS congruence rule. By SSS congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Alright. So this is your question number 4.